Morning, guys. It is July 31st, 2023. This one here, I got a call from a lady I worked for in the past. She's got a problem with her AC icing up. And I talked to her on the phone. I told her to shut the unit off and put the fan on. And I'll call later in the day, and supposedly the fan's working okay through the house, so it might not be iced completely, or it might not be iced, the coil, because it's not that hot today. So we're going to go over there, and it probably needs a little bit of gas. Sure, all the filters have been changed, and the other two systems are working okay. It's just one that's an issue, that's icing. So that means they're telling me that it's most likely it's low on charge. So I told her, I mean, if I go over there and it's iced, it's still iced up, she's gonna have to pay me. And I have to shut it off and go back tomorrow. But tomorrow I gotta do a replacement on the system. I don't know if you can see it back there, but I got a furnace, an 8-coil condenser for a system I gotta change out tomorrow. The guy still working fine. It's an older system, but the guy wants it upgraded. So tried talking him out of it, tell him to leave the old R22 system in there, but he wants a new system, so I gave him a price and he wants to do it, and we're going to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow and Wednesday. It's supposed to be like maybe 70, 78, 79 the highs, so it's not crazy hot. We could do it. It's on the first floor anyway. I've had problems with the furnace. I was the one over there that had all the birds in the furnace, and then I went back another time and the capacitor was bad, and they go back and forth to Florida, and he wants to upgrade the system. I mean, he wants a newer system in there. I mean, the other one's only going to last so long, so can't talk him out of it, so we'll do it. He wants to do it for the price I give it, do it.
Turn left on Old West 40.
Yeah, Miss Molly. Oh, yeah, Miss Molly. We'll do it tomorrow. We're going to do it tomorrow. Alright, we got 2 units she's complaining about. So we're going to do all off. She's going to turn one on. We're going to check it. If it needs a charge, we'll charge it. Then she's going to then we'll do the other one. I've been here before. Alright, look at this shit. She's an R22. It ain't good. It's a little low, not crazy low, not all iced up. So let's check it. Huh?
The one I turned on is the best one. That one I know we're having problems.
This is the one you're having problems with?
Yeah, for sure.
If it starts coming back real cold, we know it's ice, but... Hey, them dogs aren't going to come after me, are they?
They're in the fence, and no, they're wet. They're fenced in. Stop it, Will.
I said it starts coming back super cold, we're going to have to shut it off for a day. Kind of barky, them dogs seem kind of big.
Yeah, they're loud.
You're going to kill me now.
No, they're not going to.
Alright, this is a 22 unit. We're going to check it. See what we got here for. It starts coming back real cold. We know it's a problem. Check this right away. See what we're getting for temperature coming back on the suction line. I don't think it's iced yet, but keep an eye on this. It starts dropping crazy. You know it's iced. I don't think it is. I hit these last time I was here with a garden hose. It changes the filters, so it's not an issue. Yeah, it's low on charge. Pressure's not all. See, this isn't wet. I'm gonna give it a douche. Little douche will do ya, mama. Little douche will do ya, mama. She's low. Should do you, Mama. You can see we're 53. See the superheat? How high the superheat is? We're gonna put some gas in it. Needs gas. Let me get some. Some gas. See, 40, 50 degrees superheat, too high. I'm gonna bring that down. Bring that suction up a little bit. Some cooling up some. Wonder how turn the coils. Yeah, don't look crazy bad. I was here a couple of years ago and cleaned the oil. Don't look bad. We're gonna bring this up to above probably 70 or so on the suction. 22 can go in as a gas. Keep an eye on this subcooling. It's going to come up some. It's a piston, so we're going to go by superheat. But they like this around 20. That's good. You can see the line's not sweating. This should be sweating. So we want 50 degrees, 50 psi. That's going to be pretty low in temperature. Let's see what 50 is. psi is 26 degrees. Not 22. Keep an eye on this right here. This starts dropping. We know it's starting to come back. Charge is starting to come back and be close on the charge. Keep an eye on this. See, it's starting to drop. Alright, let's try that. By subcooling, gonna go by superheat because it's a piston. See, this is still dropping here. Getting low on the battery. Not so bad. Still dropping here on our suction coming back, so it's going to start sweating. 70 on the suction. This is dropping. I'm going to get this down around 20 or so. Kind of a hot day, maybe 20. 20 something is good for the superheat. A real hot day will be like 25. Cool day will be down around 8 or 10. Start sweating. See, we're still dropping here, see it? Subcooling at 12. I didn't put a lot in it, just a little. But it would have been icing up after it ran for a while with ice the way it was. Alright, so our superheat's around 20. Suction at 70, subcooling at 12, suction line coming back at 60, we're good there. Nice heat coming out of here. This should start getting cold and sweaty. So yeah, that's what we want to see. Look at that one right there, superheat's at 20, before it was what, 50? So that's it, just leave it a little how you doing. No big deal, Mama. Get off my balls. you doing? There's a little oven there, you know. A little oven. Iced. See how this one's coming back really cold? Let's see if this one's ice. Alright. 61 and 60 on the suction, which is right minimum 12 on the superheat because of the suction. The subcooler's at 10. I'm going to leave that one right there. This one's alright. There was just a small one. Alright, so we're going to leave this one right there where it is. Can't take any gas out. This will be too low. That's fine. Pisser. That thing would piss right on you. Alright guys, 1 pound of gas, 1 pound of R22, no big deal. Give it a little how you doing. I mean, older systems, old first company units, you know, they're getting to be a little crusty, but I mean, I was over there maybe last year or the year before, and I cleaned them all and told her what was going on with the units, and as soon as they started acting up, she called me right away, and it was just down a little bit. I mean, no big deal. Top it off, and I mean, eventually you're gonna have to change them, but don't need to do it right now. That's how you do it. Every situation's a little different, right? Some are really low, some aren't bad. I'm gonna give it a little how you doing, and it should be good till next year. Give it a little how you doing, Miss Molly. Yeah, we give it a little how you doing. Yeah. That's what I said. Give it a little how you doing. Yeah. We'll give it a little how you doing, Miss Molly. We'll give it a little how you doing.